Good morning all, welcome back to the vlog. I'm not hungover, but I am feeling twitchy. I'm not sick, but I am very hungry, and I'm back in Warsash to do what is now, I'm now halfway through my dissertation research, which is cool. Ellie's here with me. She's gone to go to a different site because we're trying to cut out time, because Ellie's going back to uni today to move things in. She doesn't have all the time in the world, and yeah, I'll explain what happened last night later on in the vlog, because it was an eventful end. But in the meantime, let's try and find some snakies. I found one lizard so far. That's not good enough. Well, I can't show you Ellie because I've lost Ellie. Well, I haven't lost her. She's going home because of women things. We haven't had a fight, that's not what I mean. I don't mean she's being petty. She literally has to go sort something out, and then she'll come back to pick me up when I'm done, I think. So I'm just going to carry on by myself. We found 2 grass snakes so far. So, you know, things are looking alright. Better than they started off anyway. Will we see my little friend the grass snake again? Yes. Hello. Oh, you're so gorgeous. Oh, I just love them so much. It's just a shame that their friend, Mr. Adder, doesn't come out more because, well, I haven't seen him. Come on. Please work, I just did it. That's using a piece of grass. I can't do it anymore, that was funny. There was a little lizard on there. There's a slow worm behind it. If you look just down there, you see its tail. That's below that dangling leaf. There's a little tail of a slow worm. It's moving now. Oh, that's so cute. So now, let's see if there's the grass snake's back or if there's anything more. Here we go. Grass snake at the back. Just the one. Yeah, just the one thing, but there's still a slow worm there too, and there was a little lizard. So that's mighty, mighty impressive. Hey, little guy. Hello. It's the first time I've seen something under this mat in fucking weeks. And it's a little baby slow worm. Hello. No idea how fucking tired I am. But I guess I need to tell you the story of what happened last night. I'll not tell you the story, it's not like it's that interesting. But, so I went out with Stubbo and Chewit. We went to a pub, a little way away. It was like a 40-minute drive, just so we could get away from places we know and go and try new stuff. It was quite nice there. Had some really nice ales, and they were really good. Came back, then went to the pub with Mum and Dad and Ollie and Sam, played some pool. Then came home, played some drinking games with some of Ollie's friends. Then we went to Spoons and drank even more, and that's basically it. And I didn't record any of it. That's why yesterday's vlog kind of had a weird ending. And that whole experience, that entire afternoon of drinking has left me in this state where I'm shattered and I'm barely able to do anything. Yay, go me. I really want to sleep, but I really don't, because in like a couple of hours we're going to go over to Hailing to see family. And I'm just, oh boy, life's so hard. Cracker. Cracker. Hello. Hi, baby. Oh, he's such a happy boy. And he's going off again. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going with those leads? Hey?
Into the car.
Hey? I don't care if the gate was open. Come on, Cracker. Down we go. Cracker. Cracker. Down. Down there. Cracker. Go on. Good boy.
Good boy.
I don't care if it's open.
What are you doing there?
No, he's a trip hazard.
No, I know what you're thinking. Tom, you were just walking downstairs. Why are you now naked and in bed? Well, the answer is that the rest of the day didn't exist in video form. Now, the reason for this is mostly because I'm a really bad vlogger / YouTuber person, but also was that I went over to my grandparents' house with my family and the dogs, hence why they had their leads on, as well as for a walk where we went to visit family, and we had a meal, and that was because Ellie's dad. What am I saying? Mum's brother Nigel, who lives in Australia, is going back to Australia. Well, has gone back to Australia. But we went to go see him on his last day, and we spent the entire afternoon, evening there. And because I'm with my family, I'm fucking awkward, especially with a camera out. So I didn't vlog anything. And as a result, well, there's no substance to this video anymore. And so as a sneaky tactic, I'm slowing my sentences to pad the runtime. But yeah, that's essentially why this video is short, and it's completely my fault, and I'm really sorry. I need to get better at just at least informing you when things are happening rather than the day after when I'm editing the video. And when I'm editing the video really late at night when it should have been up and public for hours. Why is my head so shiny there as well? It's just staying. Do I have glitter in my head? Not that I can see on my fingers. Anyway, yeah, so I'm like, this is it. I'm sorry. This is the end of the video. I'm sorry that I keep delivering these short, stupid vlogs, and I'm very disappointed to report that it's most likely going to be that tomorrow. I'll see if I find a topic to talk about, but if not, you're going to be in for a treat of a vlog. But I'm going to wrap up today's video now, so if you've enjoyed the stuff that I did show me doing, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe. You can see every single day of my life within reason. Apparently I don't even stick to my own outros anymore, and all the cool stuff that I do for the most part. Anyway, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the next daily video. Until then, stay cedar. Could I say that? Even though cedar begins with a C? Yeah, fuck it. Stay cedar and stay safe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.